Dow rose more than 100 points on Thursday, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq added roughly 0.5% each as investors continued to assess the outlook for growth and the trajectory of monetary policy. Labor Department data showed that the number of Americans filing applications for unemployment benefits increased again last week, suggesting that demand for work could be cooling amid tighter financial conditions. While this report pointed to a slowdown in the job market, others, including the payrolls last week, offered a slightly different perspective, adding to uncertainty regarding the Federal Reserve's rate path, with markets pricing in on a smaller 50 bp hike in December but betting on a higher terminal rate. On the corporate side, Rent the Runway jumped over 20% after the online retailer topped revenue expectations. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos.